Meaning of group therapy.
Group therapy.
Group therapy.
Group therapy.
Group therapy. Group therapy is a form of psychotherapy where a small group of individuals, typically 6 to 12 people, meet regularly with a trained therapist to discuss and work through issues together. It differs from individual therapy in that the focus is on interactions within the group as well as personal experiences. Group therapy can address a range of mental health concerns, including anxiety, depression, addiction, and trauma. Benefits of group therapy include increased social support, improved self-awareness, and the opportunity to practice new skills and behaviors in a safe and supportive environment.